Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I am going to do a set of press-on nails for myself. The tips that I'm using and that I absolutely love are from P.O Box. They're very thick and very sturdy, I believe, in my opinion, and I've been using these for a while now to do my own press-on nails. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these, I will definitely leave the link in the description for you guys to check them out. I did get them from Amazon. And so here all I'm doing is sizing up my tips, make sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall, make sure that they're not too small or anything like that. And after I size them up, I'm just gonna go ahead and file that little tip here that you see right here. I'm just gonna file that down. And the files that I love that I've been using a lot lately are the ones from Sally's Beauty Supplies. I actually like them. I think one side is 100 grit and the other side is 80 or 180. I'm not too sure, but I actually love them, and they come individually wrapped already, like packaged. So, you don't have to worry about contamination or anything like that. So here I'm just filing off that tip before I get on to the next step. And then the displays here that you guys see, those are also from Amazon, and then the putty is also from Amazon. So I'm going to make sure that I leave all the links in the description box for you guys to check out. But yeah, I have like maybe 5 displays now or something like that, because I do my own press-on nails sometimes, and I'm actually trying to get into doing press-on nails for like other people. I already have like my packaging, the nail tips that I'm going to get and everything. I'm actually going to be using the ones from Apres. I'm not sure how you pronounce them. So I have everything already set to go. It's just me now getting to buy them. So I'm kind of excited and nervous at the same time. But so here I'm just going to grab my sanding bit, and I think it's a 240 sanding bit. And so what I'm going to do next is just take away the shine off of the nail, so I can apply my base coat so the gel polish should adhere better to it. And I'm just using my iGel Beauty e-file that I got a while ago, and I actually love it. It's portable. So yeah, so like I was saying, I'm going to get into doing press-on nails. It's just me actually buying the stuff and getting it out of my cart. I'm just nervous. Everybody's doing press-ons right now and stuff like that, but so we'll see how that goes. So here I'm just removing the shine off the nail tip, and I'm going to do this to every single one of them. The press-on design that I'm going to be doing today is actually very simple. There's nothing to it. I just use one color gel polish, and then I use some foil. And the foil that I'm using, it's actually from iGel Beauty. I did like a little haul from iGel Beauty. It was pretty much all foils, so I got a lot of foil to use. But yeah, it's just a very simple design that you guys will see in a little bit. All right, so moving forward to the next step here, I'm just dusting off any dust that was left after filing off the shine. As you can see, I did it to all of them. And so the next thing that we're going to do is apply the base coat. And the one that I'm going to be using today, I believe is from, what's it called? Oh, I can't think of the name. I think from Nail Addict. But first, before I do that, I just took a little lint-free wipe and used some alcohol to remove the rest of that dust, because I don't want any of that on there. I want a clean surface. I want my gel polish to apply on very smoothly. So that's what I'm going to be doing first. All right, so yes, I was correct. I used the base coat from Nail Addict. They actually sent this to me with the gel polish, I believe. So thank you for that, Nail Addict. And so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to all the nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And then just recently I got a comment or a question in one of my previous videos. They were asking if their base coat is supposed to be sticky after curing for 5 minutes. And of course I answered her and I told her that it was normal for her base coat to be sticky. It's actually supposed to help the gel polish adhere to the nail and prevent any like chipping. So yes, your base coat is normal for it to be sticky, so there's no worries there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the base coat to all my nails, and then we are gonna be moving on to the next step. Let me know what you guys think about press-on nails. At first, I don't know, I didn't really like press-on nails. I always just thought that they would just fall off and not stay. And when I used to like use them before, I felt like I couldn't really like grab onto anything or really do anything because I just felt like they were gonna pop off. But maybe I was just thinking of like I don't know, like the old school press-ons, I don't know, from Walmart or something. I don't know. But yeah, I just had a bad rap with press-on nails or anything like that. So, but yeah, now that I do them myself and I know how to apply them correctly or whatever, they actually do last quite a while. So, you know, it just depends on you and how you apply them and what you do about your everyday life. But yeah, I'm getting into press-on nails. I don't mind them, especially when I need to give my own nails a little break or anything like that. So yeah, I'm definitely getting into them. All right, moving on to the gel polish application. So the one that I'm going to be using is called Night Shift, and this is from Madame Glam. These are actually my favorite gel polishes. I absolutely love them. I love the consistency. They're very pigmented and they kind of smell like candy to me. It reminds me of like that bubble gum, that rolled up old school bubble gum. But yeah, anyways, I absolutely love these gel polishes. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to all the nail tips, and I think I do 2 coats because I am using the clear nail tips, so a second coat definitely was needed. Also, other gel polishes that I like that I have tried are from Nail Addict. Those are also very pigmented, and they have a thick consistency. Also, I like the Model ones. Those are really good. So those are the only 3 gel polishes brands that I've tried so far, so I do like them. So let me know what your favorite brand of gel polishes is, because I would like to try some new ones out. All right, so moving on, my nail tips are all polished and I absolutely love this color. It's a very like forest pretty green color. Absolutely love it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get some transfer foil, and the ones that I'm using is from iGel Beauty. Like I said, I bought like I don't know how many transfer foils this last haul. I mean, they have this continuing 60% sale. They just don't stop. But I'm going to be using this transfer foil, and I also bought their transfer foil glue. I have other ones, but I wanted to try theirs out, and I actually liked it. It really worked. So here I'm just going to cut a little piece of the transfer foil, and I absolutely love the green and gold together. So here what I'm going to do is just grab my glue, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the whole nail. And after I apply it to the whole nail, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're going to apply our transfer foil. Since I'm speaking of foil transfer glues and everything like that, I do have like a handful of different kinds, and I was thinking about doing a video of the battle of the transfer foil glues just to see which one works best, because I have a lot of them, but I don't think I have one that's like, wow, this actually like it's bomb. So I don't know, let me know if you guys would like to see a video like that. But now I'm just taking my transfer foil, and I'm just pressing it, you know, just wherever I want it on the nail. I'm not going to cover up the whole nail. I just want it like splotches of it. And so this is what it would look like, because eventually I'm going to apply my top coat, but I'm going to use the matte one. But this is what it would look like if you like applied glossy top coat over it. You know, it would look all shimmery like that. You would see all those bunch of colors, but I actually went matte. So here I'm just going to doing the same thing to the other nail. I'm just going to apply the transfer foil glue. Again, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to do the same thing with the foil. I'm just going to, you know, press it onto the nail wherever I want the foil to be. So moving on, this is what my first set of nails look like, and I absolutely love them like this, but I didn't want the color and stuff like that showing. So like I said, I went ahead and applied the matte coat, and so I'm just gonna, and this is the one from, hello, I just saw the brand, from Koopa, and this is actually the only one that I have used. I don't think I have used any other matte. So if you guys have any recommendations of another brand, I would absolutely love to know and try a different one out, because this is the only one that I've used. So here I'm just applying my coat, and then I'm just cleaning up the sides just so I can maintain that shape. And so once I apply it to all the nails, I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And these are the final results of my nails. I absolutely love them. I actually love the matte look. Let me know what you guys think. I got some comments that said it looked like they were looking at earth, which I actually agree, but I absolutely love these. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.